In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your products can flow from Shopify into TikTok Shop without confusion. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on your store's home dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage multiple accounts. It's also a good idea to confirm you're logged in with an account that has permission to install apps so you won't hit any roadblocks later. From the dashboard, head down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps store-wide controls, including how apps integrate with your store. Inside Settings, find the Apps section. Depending on your admin layout, this may appear as Apps or Apps and Sales channels. Either way, you're in the right place when you can see your installed apps and the option to discover more. Next, select Shopify App Store. This takes you to Shopify's official marketplace, where every app is vetted and you can review features, pricing, and support. In the search bar, type TikTok Shop. This narrows results to apps that sync your Shopify catalog, orders, and inventory with TikTok Shop. From the results, choose TikTok Shop Integration, SPL. This integration is designed specifically to connect Shopify with TikTok Shop, helping you sync products, keep inventory accurate across both platforms, and manage orders efficiently. Before proceeding, take a moment to scan the app description and reviews so you understand the features and any limits that might affect your workflow. Click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to function, such as reading products and managing orders. Review these carefully so you know exactly what access you're granting. If everything looks right, confirm the installation. After that, the app will appear in your admin under Apps, ready to open. Once the app opens, follow the on-screen prompts to start the connection process. Typically, the app guides you to sign in to your TikTok Shop seller account and authorize the link. Keep your brand details handy and ensure your product data in Shopify, titles, images, prices, and inventory is clean and consistent. That preparation helps avoid sync errors. A few quick tips as you finish. Allow a little time for initial product syncs to complete, especially if you have a large catalog. Verify that product variants and stock levels match in both Shopify and TikTok Shop. And consider running a small test order to confirm everything flows correctly. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now set up to connect to TikTok Shop using the TikTok Shop integration, SPL app.